Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it and here let's scroll in order to find the wallpaper section. And as you can see, here we've been transferred to this kind of thumbs up, thanks to which we can pick something from those beautiful online wallpapers. Be aware that you really need the internet connection in order to pick something from those options. Of course, if you want to, you can still pick something from the pre-installed options. Simply go to the profile and tap on the wallpapers, and here we've got pre-installed options. So of course, if you want to, you can pick something from those, but to be honest, I really like those ones which are online. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. Then you will be transferred to this kind of set of the wallpapers which are kind of similar to this one which you've chosen, and here you can also pick more options to choose from. In order to check the wallpaper on the full screen, tap on it again, tap on it to preview, and as you can see, this is how it will look like on the lock screen. You can change the position of it slightly also, up to you of course, and if you're ready, if you're happy, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. You can use the wallpaper carousel. I don't want to, so just let me tap on turn off, and the wallpaper has been applied. We can go back in order to check, and as you can see, it is on the home screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.